I got to tell you about the next Cricut Card Summit. This one is going to be a doozy. It starts on the 5th of December and I've got an amazing card I want to share with you. Actually, I think I make more than one. It might be two with a couple of bonus ones thrown in there. Don't tell anybody. It is a Cricut Summit, but with a twist. It is only for us card makers. And if you have got a Cricut and you've not delved into the land of card making yet, what are you waiting for? It's addictive. So there's 3 days. It starts on December the 5th and they do have a bit of a party the day before. This is run by Stamp Me Some Love, and Brandy is well known for her parties and also for lots of giveaways and bonuses. I am going to be doing a jumbled word card technique and teach you how to do it yourself. But don't worry, if you're not into computery stuff, then I will actually share the one that I make with you and you can have that for free, along with some other stuff. Speaking of free, I've got my link here for the free classes and you'll have 24 hours to access the classes. So even if you just choose the one or two that really suit you and suit your style, you can just watch those. You can download the SVGs that we're using in the classes as well. We always have heaps of fun. There's a great party atmosphere and I look forward to seeing you there. And hopefully you'll see me at my live as well. Till then, happy paper crafting. Bye.